In the quiet hours of the night, when the stars whisper stories of dreams unfulfilled, a glow flickers in every room, not from the moon, but from a screen, cold, constant, consuming. We scroll, we like, we double tap, and we forget to leave. You weren't born to be battery powered. You were born to ignite fires with your passion, to climb mountains with your grit, to write your story with ink, not emojis. Your phone is a tool, not your temple. A servant, not your master. But look at us now, enslaved by pings, chained to notifications, trapped in a loop, trading time for taps, trading purpose for pixels. Every hour lost to mindless scrolling is a page unwritten in your life's book. Every sleepless night, every missed deadline, every dream delayed, they are not accidents, they are choices. But here's the truth. You still have time. Time to unplug. Time to reconnect with what's real. Your potential is not measured in screen time. It's measured in drive, in effort, in courage. Student of destiny, put the phone down. Pick your purpose up. Look up. There are skies to fly through, books to read, ideas to build, skills to master, hearts to touch. And you are capable of it all. Let discipline be your addiction, growth be your guilty pleasure. Let passion keep you up at night. Not another video, not another scroll. You were meant for more than this glow. You were meant to glow from within. Unchain your mind. Reclaim your time and rise, not as a follower but as a force. Your story is waiting, so don't let the screen write it for you.